Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial 3 changes that all Outlook users need to make instantaneously on a Mac in the year 2026, web-based. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer and account for Microsoft Office 365. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go around to the dock, go to Launchpad, then go to the alternative web browser, which is Google Chrome. Click on this, wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, now let's go to Outlook.com and then make sure that you are signed into the account. So let's now focus on changing the view. Let's now click on view, and this is point number 1, where we need to click on folder pane, folder list, click on show. This gives us all the favorites and everything within the inbox, such as folders or created folders or groups that we never thought that we had. However, by bringing in the folder pane, we now have access to everything on the left hand side. The second point is to, let's just say, click on an email, and now we can zoom in and out if we needed to. If yours is 67, let's now click on the plus sign to increase this to a viable size on screen. We can also reset if we need to without taking it back to 100. Let's just keep it to 125. So that's point number 2. And the third point would now be to go to messages, message preview, show preview text. So that gives us an ideology behind what the message implies on screen, and before us even clicking into it, we get an idea that, okay, this is an email sent by this individual to respond to this email that could be this. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.